Hi and welcome to a quick tutorial for how to change the colour of a newborn wrap for the Newborn Photography Business School. So far I've imported the photo into Photoshop and I'd like to add a new layer. So I go down here to this little half moon and I select solid colour. This will bring up the colour palette, which is where you can make your choice from all different colours. I'm going to go into the blues and select a bit of a grey tone. Click OK, and I want to select on the colour fill layer. Then we need to change the blending mode. So I go over here, drop it through to colour. This changes the whole image into the new selected colour, which is not what we're after. What we want is the wrap, so we need to invert this photo. So it's Command I for a Mac, Control I for a PC. We go across and grab the brush tool, a really nice soft brush with an opacity of 100%, making sure that we've got the white tile selected at the top. We then enlarge our brush and we go over the wrap for the main part. Then we reduce the size of the brush just to grab around the edges that little bit better. Don't worry too much if you go over onto the flocati, and for the purpose of this tutorial I'm going to go over the baby's chin and side of their face. So what we're going to do now is go and swap it to the black, enlarge the photo, and then we're going to go over and remove that colour from the little one's face, making sure that we've removed it all off the ears and everything. And if you think you've then removed some of the new colour, swap it back to the white, really small brush, and go back over the edges there just to make sure that all of it's changed. Swap it back to the black and I go through and just make sure we've removed it all from the flocati. Then I tend to go up and grab the brush opacity size and drop it down to 50%, give or take, enlarge the photo, and I then usually go over, swap it back to white, I go over the edge of the flocati, or the edge of the wrap, I'm sorry, and make sure we've got all of the wrap. I find that if you drop it down to 50% to grab the edges, it tends to really blend well with the areas that you've put the new colour. We just want to make sure that we've got all of the old colour and it's gone. There we go. So there you have it. You've changed the colour of a newborn wrap. So we've got the new colour and the old colour. Fantastic. Everybody have a lovely day and we'll see you soon.